wide differences between people. I've read the latest research on habits because that's a very fascinating thing for me, because so many people have habits that do not support themselves. I myself are one of them. And for some people, it only takes 3 weeks to change a habit. And for other people, it takes a whole year. So as always in life, it's not the same for everybody. We are individual, guys and girls. We are different. We are beautiful in our differences. Wow.
Yes. And we need to treat those differences with respect, right? So, vive la différence.
There's a golden rule.
Yeah.
Don't do to others what you don't want them to do to yourself. That's true, but it works the other way around also.
Yeah.
Don't do to yourself what you wouldn't do to somebody else.
Yes.
That's a platinum rule.
Yeah, and we often will do that because we don't respect ourselves. That's why.
Yeah, that's true. Wow, I won't go in the past, but there's a lot of reasons why that has evolved that way. Yeah. But how you treat yourself indicates your level of self-worth. Whether you stuff yourself every day with donuts, cakes, and cookies and blow up to 400 pounds, it indicates it's not something bad to do. It's not helpful to do it for your health. And it indicates a low level of self-worth. And I can talk about it because at some point I was 315 pounds. And why did I get so big? Because I had no self-love. I have had nothing. I thought nothing of myself. And you know, all that education I had, it did not help me a bit. I still thought I was a failure, a worthless human being and not good enough.
Yeah, yes.
And all I wanted is stuff myself to death, basically. And I was on the best way to do that. Now, if that's not bad self-worth, I don't know what is.